One more. That's enough.
Come on, chat. Anything on the can send that poll, guys, please. Series 45. Series 45.
Yo, TikTokers, one thing with me. They're gonna find out what today. Nothing can stop me. We never see nobody in a black cloud where they said Jamaicans are roughest.
No, brother. American are roughest, bro. Trust me. American them tough, bro. All they think we big hard, bro. American them big hard.
Nobody in a world not tell nobody said nothing to the up.
No, bro, because American people, them people,
Bro,
different
we
from
are the
Jamaican.
best right all across the road.
Bro, American
Nothing
people.
cannot take with your out.
That's
There's nothing can take with them. Period.
But that's American. Man, need to get off a break, brother. From 6 to 10.
Bro, check the poll, please, chat. If you
Somebody-
cannot mute
guys,
the Zelle or the PayPal chat, if you cannot recharge, use the Zelle or the PayPal chat. $10, $20, everything add up. Please, thank you.
I don't see nobody who for ask for the speed, bro. I don't see nobody in here. I don't see me and them, I don't see them people coming up. You know, by the time I night there. By the time 6:12.
No,
I see 7:45, might as well come off them picture.
Diamond.
But in here came, may I tell them, you can see everybody who in them live, you know.
Oh, God. All right.
Auntie Avia, you can use the cash up at the poll.
Gabby, can I call Nico?
Auntie, the recharge
What
fast.
is that, man?
Recharge. The browser.
No, get KFC. Which one I KFC? I want the one in the one.
Which one I use?
Them must good today. Yeah.
Which one I use?
Guys, see the poll, the chat. With the Zelle.
Anybody who can recharge, guys, that's when you use the cash app.
Level up high. I'm hungry, so I'ma eat. But I'm not really eat still. Eat like go to palm and rice. But we eat it all.
That's what I'm saying. I'm going to stand up to keep on us. Pink Rose can help catch your speed tonight against this. Now, Mia, I would have catch it last time. Mia, Nikki, oh. Nikki, I share life to Mia. Alright, Pink Rose she going to try. Going to try that is half up, half. We need somebody else to match up with her.
So you alone have the speed them then.
I tell you if I ask the people, I'm saying I know.
Alright, so you alone catch the speed then.
No. Hey. You have to find the people them too. It better, it faster and smoother.
Yeah, find them where.
Ask them.
You not get it though. You not get it.
Ghost you are going. What me not get? Come on, child, let's go. And Chelsea, it catch speed. Guys, if you cannot use the poll. We have series of next. Good evening, ma.
Hello? Oh, alright. I wonder who this attack to me so loud, now? Alright. Fair enough. Get me can bother again? What do you get for me? Give man toast la. Alright, so this is one close, two close. That the one limit three.
Come on, tip. Everybody tap the screen, guys. Tap the screen. Tap the screen, chat.
I look like me I get nothing in this. I said I sit me in. So yeah, but my circle here, boss.
Alright. Remember, come on, 7. Come on, 7:30.
Excuse me?
Come back on 7:30. So you have like you can talk, get team and talk with them. Alright, fine.
Oh fuck chat. No, me not stay.
Ashley, the cash up look. Struggle.
PN.
How much you talk, shut up.
Them series are the same thing with the first game, no gloves.
Maybe them play 2 gloves first game, go straight. We have party so far. You don't look so bad. Anything you can send in the poll chat. Alright, Shanti says she see it. Anything you can send in the chat, please. If you can't recharge, guys, if you can't recharge, fine. But if you can't, and you use the poll.
Alright, PN, you're first with the gloves. Then Sashi. Then lace. Then lace for the recite. Guys, if you're not assigned to our gloves, please do not drop our gloves. That's all. Guys, we have to work together tonight, please. At first, I play an MP player.
You remember if a week when me usually play? I know for usually play them, I them usually play first in the series, Effa. She, I don't know what partner though. She always find
If I put up the 1 million,
eh?
if I ever put up the 300,000, 400,000, with the blood clot, this.
Jeffa.
Jeffa.
Yeah. Guys, come off gloves, tappers have gloves, Mama P, Auntie Sharon.
I got 323 people in here. We should definitely have roses, dog.
Macy.
So you tried to come for me, baby girl, but you can't.
That one use this L.
Alright, chat, we have 170, guys. Anything you can say in the chat, please.
In favor of vampire for true. In favor Edward.
Who we have vampire?
Wow, are we sharing chat now?
Oh, sorry.
That's crazy.
No, sorry, bro. Yeah, you just get cut. Sorry.
They touch it all.
No, you, bro. Sorry.
That's not in the energy.
Anything you can send in cash out to me.
Rebel Nation and I can't come together and send $20 to the people ourselves. We just look into things. No, man.
Yeah, no, sis, you see, we can get online, but you know, so you send that discard. I guess I don't know what the writers are alone that discard. Let me send anything, then I'm saying something.
Me have to looking at the pool.
I never check the poll.
Somebody tell her the PayPal, please.
Anything, guys, I appreciate it.
It's Roshika Mackenzie. RUS.
For them things that wanna scam them?
Kofa. Them have it for me, trust me. If them have it for nobody else, them are gonna have it for me. Are we? When they cannot stop the begging, the people them when they beg come to eat up my flesh, they stumble and fell in a lion. Come on for me.